Hey everyone, it's Heath from DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to talk to you about getting the most out of your liquid herbicide applications, including doing fall pre-emergent herbicide applications. So if you want to conquer and prevent weeds with confidence, you've come to the right place. First off, you'll make sure to put down your herbicide applications at the right time. Timing is crucial when using fall pre-emergent herbicides. These products offer an excellent opportunity to prevent the weed growth in the upcoming spring. Applying these herbicides creates a protective barrier, preventing weeds, seeds from germinating and establishing in the soil. This strategic timing sets the stage for weed-free lawns in the following season. Make sure that your pre-emergent is down prior to the soil temperatures reaching 70-degree mark in the fall. Weeds like poana, chickweed, and a variety of others are going to pop up in your yard in the springtime if your pre-emergent isn't used in the fall. One of the repeat offenders like poana is going to seed at 70-degree mark. So we need to make sure that we're putting our pre-emergents down in time to stop those weeds from germinating. Typically here we do split applications, usually 2 pre-emergent applications in the springtime and then 2 in the fall depending on your grass type. A split application is going to give you longer control over those weeds rather than just doing one single application. You want to follow up with your second pre-emergent application in about 4 to 8 weeks. As long as the soil is not freezing, you can apply your pre-emergent. Real important to read those labels and make sure that we know what we're doing. Once we have germinated and the pre-emergent window has passed, you'll need to apply a post-emergent herbicide to control those weeds as well. Next, you'll want to identify target weeds, the grass type, and previous lawn issues before doing a herbicide application. It might be wise to take a list of previous weeds that you've dealt with in the past. Last season, for instance, you might have seen henbit, poana, or chickweed. If you've never done a lawn care application, this is a new home to you, then take notes of your grass type and weeds that you currently see. If you aren't sure, ask your local county extension service. They're a perfect resource for weed and grass identifications. Once you've identified your target weeds and grass type, you'll need to select the right herbicide for your specific lawn. Herbicides are not a one-size-fits-all, and if you've used herbicides before, make a list of those herbicides that you've used to see how your lawn reacted to that specific ingredient in the past. If not, make sure you read the full label to make sure that the weeds that you're trying to target are labeled for that specific weed control, and then also make sure that your grass type is there. With your liquid herbicides, you may have the option to tank mix liquid products. It's important to make sure that you have read the entire label and perform a jar test, mixing to see if there's any separation of the products. We have an excellent video on tank mixing and resources on our website that will be linked in this video. With that, you can tank mix dye indicators to see where you've sprayed and where you haven't, as long as it's labeled to do so with the products that you're using. This helps you to determine where you've sprayed and avoid over and under spray. Now let's talk about your water and whether or not the pH is at the right point. When you're using your liquid herbicides, you may want to use a pH test strip to determine what water quality you have, as it can affect your applications. Whether or not you have hard or soft water may also play a role. A lot of the products need to have a neutral pH to work efficiently. Calibration of your spray equipment is essential for an even and accurate herbicide distribution. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to calibrate your sprayer properly. This ensures you apply the correct amount of herbicide per square footage. Thanks for watching. For a wide selection of high-quality lawn care products and expert advice, make sure you visit our website at DoMyOwn.com. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and tell us what else you would like to see more of.